Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video series, I'm going to explain about Redux and Redux toolkit. First, I will explain about the classic Redux and we will explore all the important concepts in Redux. Then we will move to the Redux toolkit. So first, what is Redux? Redux is nothing but it is a pattern and library for managing and updating application state using event called actions. It serves as a centralized store for state that need to be used across your entire application with the rules ensuring that state can only update in predictable fashion. So it is nothing but if you are working in a large application, then you have to access the state in multiple components. At that time, if you pass the state in a props, it will be confused for you and it will be a complex pattern. To, to overcome this particular issue, we are using Redux. It acts as a central store for whole application. So you can access easily with this Redux and you can update the data so you can predict the data also, so you will know how the data is updating and if you are decreasing the value also. So whatever the operation you are doing, you can guess and you can change the values only through Redux. You cannot change from outside Redux. Next, why we should use Redux? Redux help you to manage global state. As previously I mentioned, it is a centralized store. Here we have explained this as a global state. So we can access anywhere in the application. So there will be no confusion. The state is needed across many parts of your application. Next, the pattern and the tools provided by Redux make it easier to understand when, where, why, and how the state in your application is being updated and how your application logic will behave when those changes occur. The same way, you know the you know the operation how the values are updating or decreasing, so you can predict the values. So this is the one of the advantage. Next, so when we use Redux, so we have to use Redux while when we are using large amount of application state that are needed in many places in the application or app. The app state is updated frequently over the time. When you update the state frequently, so you can use this Redux. The logic to update the state may be complex. While you are updating the value of the state is complex, at the time also you can use Redux. And the app has a medium or large site code base and might be worked on many people. So if multiple people are working in a same project and each one will achieve the result in different way. So while integrate all the codes, it will be confusion, it will lead to delay. So to overcome this issue also we can use Redux. So we all can achieve in the same way, so we can finish. We can reduce the complexity of the project. In upcoming videos, I'm going to explain about Redux concepts. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.